What if I told you one job opportunity could change your entire future? Yes, Wipro is back with its Elite Exclusive Hiring 2025, one of the most awaited drives for freshers across India. And in this video, I am revealing everything from eligibility to test pattern and secret tips to crack interviews like a pro. If you are a 2025 engineering graduate, grab your notebook. This video is your golden ticket to a tech role at Wipro. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond BTech, the ultimate channel where we decode your tech career and one opportunity at a time. Today, I am breaking down Wipro Elite Hiring 2025, a pan-India full-time opportunity for freshers. Firstly, what is Wipro Elite Exclusive Hiring? This is Wipro's flagship fresher hiring program for BE, BTech or MTech graduates, offering the position project engineer with a starting CTC of Rs 3.5 LPA. And the goal is to attract the most deserving engineering minds across India. And here's exactly who can apply: who have completed 10th, 12th and graduation with 60% or 6.0 CGPA, only BE or BTech or 5-year integrated MTech, all CS or IT faculty branches allowed, and the year of passing will be 2025 only. So if you are graduating in 2025, this is for you, and you should not have active backlogs, and there will be max 3 years gap allowed but not during the graduation, and distance or open school allowed for 10th and 12th. And yes, you must be 18 plus and hold Indian citizenship or valid OCI or PIO. Now let's talk about the first elimination round. It's the online test. It completely has three parts. Firstly, aptitude test. In aptitude test, there will be logical and quant or English. And in written communication test, you have to write an essay writing competition. And then comes to the coding test, you have two programming questions, and the allowed languages are Java or C or C++ or Python. And here's a pro tip: or focus on logic and pattern based questions in aptitude. For coding, try problems on strings, arrays and pattern printing. Now, next, up to the voice round, your English communication is tested here. They check clarity, fluency, tone and comprehension. Then, how to prepare for it? Firstly, practice speaking clearly and confidently and record yourself answering common HR questions. Use apps like Cambly, ELSA, Speak, or even YouTube shadowing exercise. And this is the second voice assessment round. And next comes to the business discussion round. It is the final interview round. And this is your final gateway. It's a mix of HR plus tech plus soft skills. You will face questions like tell me about yourself and final year project and about your situational scenarios and a basic technical concept. They test your thought process and how well you express yourself. And the pro tips are: be honest and be structured and don't bluff technical terms. And now comes the money part. It is having a CTC of Rs 3.5 LPA at the starting and a service agreement for 12 months at the rate. It means Rs 75,000, and you will get a first letter of intent after clearing all three rounds, and post LOI and you undergo pre-skilling training. Once you clear, you get the final offer letter. And the application deadline is July 2, 2025, 11:59 p.m. So there is no time at all. So test dates will be mailed if shortlisted. And yes, you don't do this. Firstly, don't use illegal means or impersonation, and don't ignore the essay. It's critical. And don't rush your registration. Review all entries and apply fast. And the link for the application is in the description. Go check it out. And here's how to prepare fast in 15 days. Firstly, prepare for aptitude. Try Prepinsta and IndiaBix or Talent Sprint. And for coding, practice on lead code, easy to medium questions you have to solve. And for essay writing, check topics on work from home or AI and ethics or college life versus work life. Like this, search for essay writing topics. And then comes to the voice test. Do mirror practice or speak to a friend. And this is your shot at entering the tech world through a top tier company. Wipro Elite doesn't just test your marks, it checks your mindset. So prepare smart, stay confident, and show them the real you. And apply now before the deadline hits. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Baytech. your career buddy in engineering. All the best. I will see you in Wipro's project engineer team someday.